Your security team is drowning in alerts, chasing false positives while real breaches slip through. Manual processes slow your response, and fragmented tools make coordination feel like herding cats. The Incident Response Pack fixes this with automated SOAR integrations, MITRE attack aligned playbooks, real time Jira plus Slack sync dashboards, and AI driven log analysis pipelines. Whether you're a SOC analyst racing to triage alerts, a CISO building compliance reports, or an incident responder drafting postmortems, we've embedded 15 plus years of DFIR expertise into workflows that cut detection time by 60%. Spoiler, it doesn't involve duct taping Splunk to Excel anymore. Here's what's inside the Incident Response Pack. Automated detection with Sigma rule translation engines. Alert triage workflows using threat intel from VirusTotal API feeds. Real-time collaboration dashboards with live MITRE attack heat maps. Customizable post-mortem templates meeting NIST 800-61 R2 standards. Deep integrations with Azure Sentinel, Phantom SOAR, and ServiceNow ticketing. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your incident response just got a 24/7 AI Copilot. Installing the Incident Response Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add incident response pack. That's it. The full workflow downloads, detection rules, response playbooks, and post-mortem frameworks, all pre-built. Your next Claude Code session automatically inherits MITRE attack mapping capabilities, automated log correlation scripts, and live dashboard templates. No more works on my machine excuses. Your SOC just leveled up. No phishing required.